In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify and manage questions using the Automatic Check-ins tool. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that you have a clear understanding of how to efficiently make adjustments to your check-in questions. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to your project and open the Automatic Check-ins tool. It's a useful feature that helps streamline communication within your team by regularly checking in on various aspects of your project. Once you're in the tool, you'll see a list of all the check-in questions that have been set up for your project. Your goal now is to find the specific question you need to modify. When you've located the question you want to change, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up more details about the question, including various options to manage it. Now, take a look in the upper right corner of this question interface. You'll notice a three-dot menu, which is often referred to as the Options or More Actions menu. Click on this three-dot menu to reveal a list of options tied to the question. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Edit. Selecting this will take you directly to the editing interface where you can make modifications as needed. While on the edit page, you'll have a couple of key options at your disposal. One common need is to pause the question, perhaps because it's no longer relevant, or you want to temporarily stop it from being asked. To do this, you will find an option that says, Stop asking this question. Clicking this will effectively put the question on hold without permanently removing it from your system, providing flexibility to reactivate it later if the need arises. On the other hand, if you've decided that a question is no longer necessary and you wish to remove it entirely, you can delete it. To do this, look in the menu for the Put in the Trash option. When you select this, the question is moved to the trash, essentially deleting it from your active list of check-in questions. Do keep in mind that depending on the system you're using, there might be an option to recover it from the trash if necessary, providing an extra layer of reassurance if you change your mind. This process of editing, pausing, or deleting questions can greatly enhance your ability to maintain relevant and effective check-ins. By regularly reviewing and adjusting these questions, you ensure that they continue to serve your team's needs optimally. It's all about keeping the communication streamlined and as beneficial as possible for your current projects. Follow these steps, and you'll have mastered the process of managing your check-in questions with ease.